Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about trigonometric ratios. This is a basic math lesson designated for grades 8 to 9. So in trigonometry, you may be hearing the ratios tangent, cosine, and sine. Let's start by talking about the tangent ratio. The tangent of an angle is the length of the opposite leg divided by the length of the adjacent leg. So a basic equation for this would be tan equals opposite divided by adjacent. So you may be a little bit confused by hearing adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse. While the adjacent leg is the leg next to the specified angle in the problem. The hypotenuse is the side across from the right angle. The opposite leg is the side across from the specified angle in the problem. Let's move on to cosine angles. The cosine of an angle in a right triangle is the length of the adjacent leg divided by the length of the hypotenuse. A simple equation for this would be cos equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And our final ratio is sine angles. The sine of an angle in a right triangle is the length of the opposite leg divided by the length of the hypotenuse. A basic equation would be sine equals opposite divided by hypotenuse. Now let's do some practice problems to get it in your mind. So the first practice problem asks to find the cosine of angle C. We know that cosine is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. The adjacent is the angle next to the designated angle in the problem. And since the designated angle is C, we can figure out that the adjacent is equal to 5 and that the hypotenuse is equal to 13. So the cosine of angle A is 5 divided by 13. Practice problem 2 asks us to find the tangent of angle C. The tangent is equal to the opposite divided by adjacent. So our designated angle is once again C, and so the opposite of that would be 12, and the adjacent of C would be 5. So the tangent of angle B is 12 over 5. And our final practice problem is number 3, and it's asking us to find the sine of angle C. Once again, our designated angle is angle C, and since sine equals opposite divided by hypotenuse, we can figure out that the opposite of C is 12, the hypotenuse is 13, therefore the tangent of angle C is 12 divided by 13. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood a little bit more about trigonometric ratios. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep in touch for my next videos. Thanks for watching.